marked where I'm gonna excavate. And about 2,700. After I spread out the mulch, put the grass over so it dies. Looks kind of messy right now, but once we smooth out, we'll loosen up the dirt, and we'll probably put mulch on top of it, make it look nice. But put the grass over so it die, and then it's getting there. Night, as you can see, puddle forming, so I'm trying to take advantage, even trying to still be productive, and I'm just doing the edging, just getting all the dirt away from the cement patio, because the cement's gonna go right up against it, and I want 8 inches, so because 4 inches, you have 4 inches of gravel, and then 4 inches of cement, so I'm aiming for 4 inches of gravel, and about right here you can see it's about 4 inches, but I'm just pushing everything away. So 4 inches of cement, 4 inches of gravel needs it for the water to drain, and I'm using this 2x4 to kind of see where I'm at. But right now you can see I'm not going to remove these dirt. When it dries up, I'm going to bring in the excavator. I'm going to use this dirt to kind of level it out and use a compactor to even it out. So instead of pausing the project, that's what I'm doing today. It's probably about an hour work, and after that, just kind of clean up a little bit, but try to save a little time. Hopefully it dries up in a day or two, and then I'll come back out with it. When you do compact it, get all the organic stuff out, or eventually it's gonna cave in, or you might have uneven surface. So that's another thing I'm trying to do. There's roots from the Japanese maple. It grew all the way in here, so I'm trying to get rid of it. I threw some of them over there, but that's another thing. When you do compact it, level it out, get rid of all the organic stuff, even the roots, even the twigs. You do that, you have a longer lasting base foundation like this here. So this is day 2 or day 3. It rained the last couple of days, and you see a puddle, little lake pond forming, and there is a drainage right here. So it's going down out and coming out here. So I did buy some extension sprouts. Hopefully I can bring it out here temporary. But we got pretty much all the dirt on the side out. I'm gonna try to clear this out. Hopefully by tomorrow we can get some dirt and topsoil with a little bit of sand in it, so it can hold its grade wherever. And then we're gonna compact it. I'm still waiting for a compactor. It's supposed to come here Wednesday. Get all this level out, and we decided to add 7 more foot here. 7 more foot. I mean another foot. So total would be 7 foot. So it's about almost 3.5 yards of cement. We are ordering from the cement company truck. It's a lot cheaper that way. Only problem is we have to find a way to bring it back here real quick. So we're getting that together, put together a plan. Let's walk over here. Let's look at this island. I'm still debating and put rock or grow grass on it, because you got to do something, because rain will actually wash this out and it will degrade or fill up the dirt and everything, kind of mess up your water flow. So you don't want that. So temporary, still, you know, after rain 2 days, still look pretty decent. It's like it's not washed out yet. But again, I'm gonna probably grade it, make it a little more even looking. You either put rock, put a landscaping top over it, and then put rock over it, or just throw some fine dirt on it and then put some seed and hay on it and grow grass, kind of like the golf course over there. I don't know, you can see it here. Try to make a little hill like that, but then you be a lot of maintenance, because you have to constantly mow it, right? Or actually can't ride with a lawnmower over it. You're gonna have to use a weed whacker. So this is what it looks like after heavy rain during the project. As you can see here, lots of rain. Let's go check the island. See anything? Water comes up. Ooh. Let's see how it drains out. That's what we want. So we want a little drain. I don't want it to flow all the way up here. So still does its job. It's draining on the side, but still wanna, there's gotta grow some grass or something, prevent it from erosion. You can see here. Wow. See if the water's draining through here or not. It's going through. That's what you want. So it's working. But just gotta get more. More rocks, or cut that back a little bit. That's part of the project too. I gotta get this drain erosion taken care of.
1 inch, 15 minutes.
That's a lot of rain. Check the water over here. But we decided to make it a little bit longer. Just gotta wait for a little bit to brush it, right? I'll show you guys. Let me zoom in so you can see the fiber.